Hey everybody, David Cooper here with Linehaul News. I'm super excited to present to you another Wednesday workshop that we're going to be having down in Dallas. I've said it to you a time or two before that this is my favorite time of year because I get talking with all the vendors and I learn all kinds of new things about my business. I probably shouldn't pick any favorites, but I will be honest with you. I am more excited about one Wednesday workshop than most of the others because it's probably going to have the biggest impact for me in my life. But it's talking with Brent Barnhart here of TJ Corporate Credit about building a corporate credit catalyst and building a financial strength of the company. And so, Brent, appreciate you joining us here today. Really appreciate you coming down and being with us there in Dallas. So, just want to turn it over to you and have you introduce yourself and tell the guys what you're going to be talking about down there.
Yeah, absolutely. So Brent Barnhart, former contractor, was a contractor for in 4 states, $6 million contractor. Got out of the business because I was heavily leveraged and personally guaranteed to the gills. After leaving the industry, I found there's a way to separate yourself from the business personally. And that's what I'm going to be talking about. You getting access to funding for your trucks, buying routes, anything you want to do inside the business, all on the EIN. The corporation has a credit profile and we can build credit on it.
Yeah, I think that's so crucial. I mean, I've talked to so many guys in this business being in it, and I think we've talked about it. It's the reasoning behind your business is that guys get into this game and they're personally on the hook for this, and just the stresses that can come with that, and the financial burden, and the impact it can have on the rest of your life by you being so tied up in your business. And so, like I said, I'm super excited to see everything down there. Appreciate you coming out to us and joining us with that. Anything else you'd like to share with the crowd while we got them?
Well, I don't miss it. Everybody loves it when I speak, and I brag on myself. I make fun of myself. I'll pick on people in the room. I have a fun time. So I'm excited to see everybody down there.
Yeah, absolutely. From guys who haven't been around Brent or don't know him, he is one of the most down to earth guys that I've met in this space. He speaks it from the heart, tells the truth, and has a lot of personal experience, which I think is what a lot of guys are looking out for. So, forgot to mention, but if you want to register for these great events, you can do so when registering for the Linehaul Summit at linehaulsummit.com. Or if you already have registered for the event, go back to linehaulsummit.com and click on the training tab. And from there, you will see all of the training courses or the Wednesday workshops that we have planned for this year. Make sure you get down there, see us in Dallas, June 12th. Brent will be presenting, I believe, at the 3 o'clock hour again on corporate credit catalyst, building financial strength from your company and not relying on yourself with a personal guarantee to make all the things happen. So, Brent, thanks again, guys. We'll see you soon in Dallas.
All right. Thank you.